Hello everybody, Dr. Scott Thompson here, Doctor of Occupational Therapy and co-founder of NeuroVlog. I decided today was going to be the day that I put my face in front of the camera, and from now on you're going to be seeing more content from me from in front of the camera. You know, early in my career, there was this very apparent gap of what I knew about neuro-rehab. You know, ortho sort of lines up, at least to me, it lines up very sequentially. I do this one thing and this happens. I do this one thing and this happens. When I do neuro recovery, I do this one thing expecting outcome A, and I get outcome B, C, maybe even Z, because there's a cascade of changes that occur. So you have to be really well equipped and really knowledgeable. And I will tell you, I have co-founded this with some really smart clinicians, and I'm super excited to bring you all of the information and our experiences and our anecdotal things to you on our videos and our future courses and handouts and books and whatever we create. And we know that the more that we know, the deeper that bag of tricks, the better the outcomes are for our clients and the more people that we can help. So I hope that you stick around and check out our YouTube page and subscribe there, and check out and join our Neuro Nation and any of the things that we're developing, because I am super pumped and I know we got great things for the neuro rehab world. All right, take care, and I hope to see you soon. Rock the neuro.